Good morning, my dear children. Take out your EVS book. Page number 18. Page number 18. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the brackets. So, we have to fill these blanks by choosing the correct word, okay, from the brackets. See, in bracket we can see the answer, no? So, two options are there. So, we have to choose the correct answer and we have to fill these blanks, okay. So, number A, let's see. We should take a bath. Dax. The option we have every day or once in 2 days. Every day or once in 2 days. The correct answer is every day. Okay, every day. So we write here every day. EVERYDAY, every day. We should take a bath every day. Okay, we should take a bath every day. We should keep our body neat and clean. So to keep our body clean, we should take bath every day. B. We should clean our ears with an matchstick earbud. So we should clean our ears with a matchstick or an earbud with earbud. This is the correct word, correct answer. So we'll write this earbud here. EARBUD, bird, earbud. We should clean our ears with an earbud. C. We should oil and comb our decks daily. In the bracket we can see nails and hair. So we should oil and comb our nails or hair daily. Hair daily. So we write hair here. HAIR, hair. Okay. We should oil and comb our hair daily. Okay. Now last one. We should drink dax water. Little or plenty of. So we should drink little water or we should drink plenty of water. Correct answer is plenty of. We should drink plenty of water. So we'll write here PLENTY, plenty, of, plenty of. Plenty of means more water. We should drink plenty of water. Okay, so you will fill these blanks in this way. Now let's look another work. Given below are some pictures of different foods. Tick any 3 food items you like to eat the most. So see, you can see here the different pictures of food. No, there are different food items. So you have to tick any 3 food items. Any 3 food items. Okay, you have to tick any 3 food items you like to eat the most. So out of these pictures, out of the 6 pictures, which food you like the most, you have to tick in that food items. Okay, you can tick any one which you like. Just to show that which I like, I am ticking is, see, I like cake, so I'll tick in this cake food items. Biscuits and milk. I like cake, biscuits and milk. Now what do you like? So you can tick any food items which you like, okay, of your choice, which you like to eat the most. You can tick on any pictures. So this much for today. So the work I am giving you today is to do this page number 18, fill in the blanks and stick the food items. Okay, you will do this work in your book only. Okay, today you will do this work in your book only. In the next video, I'll give you the notes of this fill in the blanks, okay, which you write in your EVS copy. So for today, you will do this work in your book only. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.